Alright, you're welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you another part in my video editing process for a client project. I made the first part of this video. If you haven't watched it, do well to check the description of this video. The link is going to be in the description of this video. Click and watch the first part on how I carry on my process in the video editing. Without taking much time, let's move to the second part. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell and like the video. Now my PC, I've started my PC screen record. So here is the video. Here is the video. Yes, right, showing. I've already imported it. It's showing right here. So this is the raw footage that was sent. As the first part, as I made the video on the first part, the second part is the same thing. It was sent in this format. It wasn't sent in a horizontal vertical form. It was sent in this format. And as a professional video editor, what should I do, or what are we supposed to do when a raw footage was sent? Is to cook it, is to make it look good and to present it in a presentable manner. So I'm going to play this video, but before I play this video, let me bring out where is my video editing process notes. Yes, this is my editing process. So after receiving this video, after receiving this raw footage, what I did, just like I said in the first part of this video, reviewing footage, reviewing the raw footage. After receiving the raw footage, the first step was to review it, was to watch the footage, watch the video from start to finish. Why is it important when a raw footage was sent to you to edit it? Why is it important to watch it? It's important because it will allow you to understand the tone, the message, and it will also make you to know the flow of the content, and it will help you to plan on the editing approach, the best editing approach to the video. It will help you do that. So anytime a raw footage was sent to you, don't make the mistake or start editing without watching to understand the tone, the message, and plan your editing process. So what I did was to watch the video. So let me play a few minutes of the video.
Okay. And only 33 Fortune 500 companies are led by females. What exactly? And mind you, this is in the US and not even in Africa. The numbers are much lower. The numbers are much lower in Africa. But where exactly is the disconnect coming from? Are men more qualified to take on leadership roles?
I have to stop it this way. We'll continue. So I watched this footage. I watched it from start to finish to understand it before I begin my editing. So this is the first part, and the second part is project setup. Yes, after you watch the raw footage, what are you supposed to do? You have to import the video. So what I did, I imported the raw footage into my editing software. So when I imported the video, what I did next is to make sure I set this video, the raw footage, I set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Yes, the aspect ratio, because it's a short video, it's an Instagram video. So I have to set it in that format to match the video format on the Instagram app. So this is what I did, the second part. And then thirdly, the third thing I did is I started making cut. I start trimming, because if you notice as I played it, you will notice that there are filler words, there is pauses, there are mistakes. This is a raw footage. This is what is happening behind the scene. So when you bring such video into editing space, what do? You start cutting, you start trimming, removing the unnecessary parts.
Most women are. Do they have better degrees? Do they really work harder?
So you observe in this way, in this very, very aspect, this very speech, just this sentence you made, you will notice that there are some mistakes, pauses. So you have to cut it. That is what I did actually. I cut it, I trim it, I remove all these parts. After we finish reviewing this, when I play the edited version, in fact, you will not notice any of these pauses. So I hope you are following. If you enjoyed this video, please do it to give a thumbs up and then leave it in your comments on this video. And then the fourth thing I did, audio enhancement. The audio enhancement. So to give the footage polished look, I applied what is called removing of background. Yes, I have to remove background noise because there is a kind of little bit of background noise on the video. I have to enhance the audio quality.
Ada, I think the smartest. As someone who has been privy to be.
Now, I want to say something on this raw footage. If you watch the first part, you will notice that the first part of the video has a kind of noticeable background noise. It is so noisy than this. This is far more better. This is far more better. But you have to still enhance the audio quality to make it sound in the podcast format, you understand? So I carry on that one as well. And then visual enhancement. I have to do color grading, enhance the visuals to make it look good. And I input my caption. This is the sixth one. I input captions on the video. I made some good cut. I add background music to it. This second part of this video, it gives me less challenge. I have some less stress, less challenge editing this video because the audio, despite the fact that the audio is better, it's good, but it's not best. It's still a challenge because the challenges I face is you if you listen, if I play this to the end, you will notice some noticeable background noise on it, but it's better, just like I said. And then there are multiple filler words. Filler words in this very video, in this very raw footage is so much. The pauses, the mistakes is so much.
In rooms with top executive, with men in top executive levels. I personally have never worked in 9 to 5, but I've worked with.
Let me forward it, bring it to the end part.
Much effect when it comes to getting to top management positions. There are qualities, there are skills that you need to possess. There are qualities, there are skills that you need to possess as a woman looking to go into top executive roles. And number one would be your people skill. Men are excellent negotiators.
Please do want to give a like to this video. So I would like to play the edited version. This is a short review on the raw footage on how I was able to carry on the editing. This is what I did. So after reviewing this, now you understand how I made it or how the editing process was carried on. Each video editor has his own or her own video editing process, but these are the basics. This is the very basic thing that one needs to consider while editing. So what I'm going to do is to import. This is it. I'm going to import it, and then I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this and then set the aspect ratio. Let me remove it and bring it this way. So I want to play it full so that you can watch the edited version. Don't forget to give a like to this video, give a thumbs up, and then tell me how you feel on the editing. Tell me, rate the editing, rate it, and let's watch it together. Pay close attention.
And only 33 Fortune 500 companies are led by females. And mind you, this is in the US and not even in Africa. The numbers are much lower in Africa. But where exactly is the disconnect coming from? Are men more qualified to take on leadership roles than women are? Do they have better degrees? Do they really work harder? Are they the smartest? As someone who has been privy to be in rooms with men in top executive levels, I personally have never worked in 9 to 5, but I've worked with lots of professionals, I've worked with lots of executives. And one thing I've come to realize is when you get in rooms with these people, you notice that these people aren't even the smartest. But what exactly is the disconnect? What I personally have found out is that men are more strategic when it comes to achieving their goals than women are. Women, on the other hand, think first to work harder, to get an extra degree, to put in extra hours, not knowing that these things do not really have that much effect when it comes to getting to top management positions. There are qualities, there are skills that you need to possess as a woman looking to go into top executive roles.
So you can leave in your comments, tell me how you feel on this edited version. Just leave in where you see I need to improve. I'll be so glad to receive your your review and your criticism as well. I'm so much glad to receive it so that I can improve myself. So do well to watch this video. Yes, the video card that is just appearing. Do well to watch this. Please do well to watch the first part and then subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I would not like to take much of your time. See you in another video.